A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Everyone wants Allah's mercy, right? And we received Allah's mercy in many ways. For example, if we asking for dua, if our dua is accepted, it is Allah's mercy. Everything we have today is Allah's mercy upon us. We have food, we have water, we have home to live. It's all Allah's mercy. This beautiful environment around us is Allah's mercy to us. And Allah is saying in the Quran, do you want Allah's mercy? Do you want my mercy? You have to do one thing for that. Allah says in Surah Al Imran, verse number 132, addressing believers, and obey Allah and the Messenger, that you may obtain mercy. So Allah has given His criteria, His formula, that if you want my mercy, obey me and my Messenger. So Allah is Rahmanur Rahim for whom? For those who obey Allah and His Messenger. So it depends upon you whether you want Allah to be Rahmanur Rahim for you, or you want Allah to be Shadidul Iqab for you, or you want to see His anger. It depends upon you. Allah has, and it is also a mercy of Allah that He has given you the choice to choose which side you want to follow. You want to follow the right path or the wrong path. It is the mercy of Allah. He has not imposed anything upon you. He has given you the clear choice whether you want to obey Allah, His Messenger, or whether you want to obey Shaitan and his followers. So if you really want Allah's mercy upon you in this world and also in the year after, then you should follow His rules, His Messenger's rules. And Allah says His Messenger doesn't speak any of his own words. He just carry the message of Allah to the people. So you have first of all follow the Messenger, because he will tell you about the Quran, about what is said in the Quran, explain everything to you, and then you can reach to your Lord. So obeying Allah and His Messenger is the only source that can give you the mercy of Allah, that you may obtain the mercy of Allah. And how will you follow Allah and His Messenger? By having love for them. It is the love who convinces you to obey someone. For example, your parents, you have love for them, that's why you obey them. You have love for your children, that's why you fulfill their needs. So having unconditional love, like you have for your children, for your family, because you think they are your part, they are not separated from you. So you need to have that kind of love, and an upgraded version of that love, where you think that loving Allah is your priority, then comes your family, your children. And when you have that kind of love, then you will obey Allah and His Messenger. And what will be your reward for it? Allah will shower His blessings, His mercy upon you.